In this video, I'm going to be covering the essential tools you need for affiliate marketing. First, I'm going to cover the 3 tools you need. And if you've been following my videos, you know I only cover 2 essential tools that you need, but it'll be a 3rd tool that'll be crucial for you in your affiliate business. And once I cover that, I'm going to give you a quick over the shoulder as to how I easily am able to hook these tools up and work them in my business. And finally, at the end, I'm going to tell you how that 3rd tool is really a game changer when it comes to getting success online. And at any time, if you feel like you need help step by step with affiliate marketing, I invite you to click the link at the top of the description of this video, and it'll send you over a video of how you can get things up and running quickly with step-by-step training and coaching for your affiliate business. With that said, let me jump over to my computer and get everything hopefully connected in your brain so that this stuff seems as simple as it really is. All right, so you heard me say that I usually say only 2 tools are really the essential tools that you need. And it really is, but this 3rd tool that I added on, it was for a reason. You'll see as I get into it. But the first tool is called an autoresponder. If you haven't heard of that, just stick with me and my channel. You'll get to learn more about affiliate marketing. And definitely, if you decide to take the path that I've taken to learn this stuff, you'll be in great hands. But ultimately, it's a way that you can give a person a freebie or something that you promised them in return for their email, right? So they'll give you their name and their email, and their information will go onto a piece of software that you can utilize called an autoresponder. And so that autoresponder is one of the top 2 tools that you need in affiliate marketing, no matter what. And I'll show you that here in a second as to how I hook it up. The purpose of the autoresponder is to also drop autoresponder follow-ups as well as broad emails if you want to promote something or build a relationship with your audience. It is going to help you do all of that right there. You don't need any advanced autoresponders. You just need a basic autoresponder. The second tool is a way for you to get the person from off of whatever platform they are on onto your autoresponder. So with affiliate marketing, you should be marketing somewhere, whether it be Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. You will have this different pieces of content talking to your audience. And what we want to do is get our audiences from off of these platforms that we do not own, that we cannot control, and onto our #1 real estate in our affiliate business, which is our email list, which is the autoresponder. Okay. So once you build your list, your autoresponder list is your asset. That is your business. You own that. Okay. So how do we get them to the autoresponder? Well, that's by a capture page. I'll show you here in a second. In fact, it looks just like the one capture page that I showed you throughout this video. It's a page that they can opt in for a freebie that you offered. As simple as that. It could be a course, it could be a PDF, ebook, it could be a video. They opt in for it. And so ultimately, once they opt in, they're on your list. But in order to do that, you need a funnel builder. But a funnel builder can do a lot more things than just put people on the list. But for the purpose of keeping things simple in this video, those are the 2 main functions that you want to happen as an affiliate marketer. And I'll show you the 3rd thing in just a moment, but let me show you over the shoulder how simple this is to go in there and create a page, connect your autoresponder, and have things up and running. So here I'm in the back of my affiliate system where we have the funnel builder tool that I love and recommend that you use. And essentially, when you get this funnel builder tool, there are some setup steps that you could take. But it's really like, it takes me 5 minutes. It might take you 20 minutes if you're not familiar with this and need to look at the step-by-step videos. But all I did to make sure that this thing worked is that I went into the settings of my funnel builder. I clicked on my applications and I made sure that my get response, which is my autoresponder, was already connected. I'm not going to show you the details here because it might be personal or sensitive information, but I just copied and pasted something to my system. So if I go into get response, all I had to do was go here and I had to click on my connections, the integrations and API connections. Once I clicked on API, it allows me to create these API keys. So ultimately I will generate a new API key and then I will copy and paste that inside of my builder. So it's very simple to create this. Now, a lot of times people say, okay, how do I create the pages? Just so you're aware, I like to keep my pages really simple. I definitely recommend that you keep your pages simple too if you're just starting out. But in case you're like, I don't even know how to start off with simple, the way you can create pages quickly with this system is just click on the funnel area. Once you click on the funnel area, you can click on add new step, new page, and you will have a slew of funnels that you can customize in order to promote your affiliate product. So I'll look at this one here as an example. You see we have a nice fully done for you page that's already in the system. So the only thing you really have to do is change the text, which will be easy, the pictures, and then basically make sure that it's connected to your list. So once I hit select, I can just create a name real quick, hit add. And so once you add it, again, your get response is already connected, but you still need to make sure that you add a list to this capture page, meaning when somebody does go and add their name, their email, or maybe phone number, if you want to collect that, they'll land onto a list onto your get response. And that is also really simple to create. It's as simple as creating a Word document on your computer, right? So you just create a list, you name it, and then once you name it, you'll be able to find that list back here. So if I click on my forms, I click on my settings, I go down to get response, I have all of my lists already created here, and I can click on whatever list I want to have those prospects land on, meaning they'll start getting the emails and follow-up sequences, which will have my affiliate links and stuff in there. Okay, so I confirm, and now my page is literally done. Okay, after this, all you have to do is really test things out and make sure it's going to where you want people to go to, like create a handshake page, or some people call it a bridge page. You can create a simple bridge page, and everything is pretty simple in the system. But let's talk about this third thing really quick. So this third piece of software that I decided to start teaching on is very dependent upon what marketing you're doing. I'm always a big advocate of doing simple things, starting off with one marketing strategy until successful. So my thing is, once you find out which marketing strategy that is, your third essential software will be anything that's going to absolutely help enhance and improve your results. Okay, so it's not one specific software, but it's going to be the software that is congruent to really enhance your results. Okay, some people might even get tracking software. I'm not a big fan of tracking software unless you're advanced and you know what you're doing. And, I think if you keep it simple, your job will be to promote. And we do have some tracking features inside of the funnel builder. So most people don't even really need tracking software outside of our funnel builder, because you can track where your leads and things like that come from inside of our funnel builder. But what I'm referring to are tools that's going to help you in that particular platform. For instance, Facebook, there used to be tools that you can utilize to friend request people and stuff like that. There still are tools out there. I just don't use them and I don't recommend them, but that could be a tool, considered a tool that people use for people who are doing video marketing. Like, I do like editing software. Do I think it's essential? No, I think the ability to open up your camera, shoot a video, and upload it on YouTube is essential. That's the essential thing that you need, along with the two things that I covered. But an essential software for YouTube could be something I call VidIQ. Okay, and this is a tool that helps me find keywords that people are searching for. Like, for instance, in this video, I think people were searching for essential affiliate marketing tools or essential tools for affiliate marketing. I can't remember the exact verbiage, but ultimately, I know that people are searching for that because of this tool. And the really cool thing about YouTube marketing and VidIQ is that if you decide to go ahead and use that tool, it's going to help you move a lot quicker on your channel than it would if you were to do things by yourself. So I'm going to give you the over the shoulder view really quick. All right, so here I am on my VidIQ. I can go to find trending keywords, and then I can click on something like top tools for affiliate marketing. I don't think that was my keyword, but I might add it to this video and I can tell it to give me an overview of that keyword. Okay. So I'll just hit enter and it's going to do a couple of things. It's going to tell me how many people are searching for this keyword, which is crucial because you can rank videos for keywords, meaning you can put videos on the internet, on YouTube, and they can appear at the top of the page when people type in what they're looking for. But if people aren't searching for it, it doesn't matter if it's ranking or not, right? So I want to know that people are searching for it. So that's crucial. Another thing is, how hard is the competition? If I'm starting off with a brand new channel, I may not want something with high competition. I want something with lower competition. And overall, they give you a score. And I've been told that this score also depends on your channel, which I think is good too. So you kind of have a better insight as to what keywords that you should use for your channel. And it may be a different score that I have for my channel. Okay. So that's the key thing in here that you can utilize. And because of this, it helps me create content that people are searching for. And when I create that content, that gives me more what I call fish hooks, people looking for the thing that I am offering. Okay. So hopefully this has helped you. So the 3 things that you should be using in your business with absolute certainty that you don't need all these extra things that's floating around on the internet. 1, you need an autoresponder tool. 2, you need a funnel builder tool to get people onto that autoresponder. And 3, you need whatever tool, and not all the tools, but whatever tool that's really going to help you to get quicker results in your business and help you move forward a lot faster. So if you pick a strategy that, you don't need to use tools, then guess what? You only need to get those first 2. All right, so you should have all of the information you need, and hopefully you got help and you got some clarity on how you can set up tools in your business and the essential tools that you only need in your business to get things on and popping. And 2, hopefully you have put your name and email in that form below, and that'll give you a free video that tells you how I was able to implement these same marketing strategies that you're going to need in your affiliate marketing business. And it started getting me results within 3 weeks of implementing this training. And I promise you, it's definitely a fast track to success versus, going on YouTube and looking for things. So like, honestly, you could keep struggling and watching YouTube, or you can get into the direct training that has helped me get into profit in my business. So the choice is up to you. And hopefully at minimum, you got some good value out of this video. I'll see you on the top.